Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we cook some healthy, delicious meal that nourishes your body and soul. If you haven't subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay updated with all yummy recipes. Today I'm going to show you super simple and nutrition recipe which is Methi Moong Dal curry. This dish is not just packed with flavors but also loaded with lot of health benefits. Let's quickly go over the ingredients and their amazing properties. Here we have a methi leaves. These humble greens are powerhouse of nutrition. They help to control blood sugar levels, improve digestions, and are excellent for skin and hair. Plus, they give beautiful earthy flavors to our dish. Next is the moong dal. This is one of the easiest lentils to digest. It's rich in proteins, packed with fibers, and helps to boost immunity. It's also great if you're looking to include low calories but filling ingredients in your diet. And of course, our hero is of Indian kitchen, onions. Onions add a natural sweetness to the dish and are loaded with antioxidants. They are great for heart health and help reduce inflammation in the body. With these three ingredients, we are creating a magic today. Alright, let's start by heating some oil in the pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle. This release the amazing aroma. Uh, Next, add medium-sized chopped onions and stewed until they turn golden brown. Onions not only enhance the taste but also help balance the slight bitterness of methi leaves. Pagal, pagal. Now add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and a teaspoon of coriander. Wow, these spices are not just flavor, they also help in boosting metabolism, and improves digestion. Wow, nice flavor I'm getting. Once onion and spices are cooked, now it's time to add washed and chopped methi leaves. Remember, methi leaves cook down, so don't worry if it seems like too much at first. After stirring for a minute, add a half cup of moong dal. The dal blends beautifully with methi leaves, creating a wholesome dish packed with proteins and greens. And finally, add salt to taste and splash of water if needed. And just cover the pan and let it cook for low flame roughly around 5 to 7 minutes. And here we go with, wow, it smells divine. This dish is perfect for any meal. You can pair with rotis, rice, or even you can just eat it as it is. It's packed with iron and fibers from methi leaves for stronger immunity, and proteins from moong dal to keep you full and energized. Of course, antioxidants from onions for glowing skin and better digestion. So it's not just tasty; it's also a nutritional powerhouse. So if you have enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. And of course, share this recipe with your family and friends. Let's spread the joy of cooking healthy meals together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.